Hello? Yeah, Gary, it's me. Who else would you be calling? Yeah, I get that somebody else could have picked it up. Gary, just stop being like this. It's a waste of time. I got your message, so what do you need?
Hello, Alan. I needed to see what you could score for me this week.
What do you mean by score? Listen, I'm not a pusher of anything except knowledge.
No, I mean, like, can you get me some blank CDs and DVDs? I need to burn some music and back up my Xbox 360 games.
I'll fill you in with some of that information right now. This phone call is pointless if you were trying to avoid having the call overheard by a third party.
Hey man, if it wasn't for Snowden, we would have no idea about the tapping situation. You know I don't like people listening in on my calls.
What the hell does Snowden have to do with this?
It has to do with everything, Alan. Everything.
So why the hell did you call me on a landline? That's easier to tap and listen in on. Especially since you called me on a payphone located on government property, you tool.
I'm on a landline too, Alan, so it doesn't matter. We're safe.
Yeah, it does matter.
No, it doesn't, Alan. It's like that time the cops pulled you over. And you know, I just kept giving them the middle finger the whole time. Freedom of speech, man.
First, freedom of speech doesn't keep the government from tapping lines. Second, I probably would have been let off with a warning, but you pulled that number and then asked the officer if you could get some assistance in wiping your ass later on.
Well, I have the right.
I don't care what you have or don't have. What I know is that you, like this payphone and state, is located in a rather old school place and do old school things. I mean, look at the towns in this state, man. Stonewall, Round Rock, Marble Falls. I mean, geez, dude, you'd think we're in an episode of the Flintstones if it wasn't for the fact that the governor rolls around in a damn wheelchair.
Well, sorry, man. What gotta stick up your ass?
What has got me acting like I gotta stick up my ass? You want us acting like me? I gotta stick up my ass? You hear me? My frustration? Really? You ask that? You've got me hanging around a damn college campus, around a payphone, for a phone call that you think can't be tapped despite all the evidence to the contrary. You then use some sort of unintelligible drug dealer code to get me to do your grocery shopping when you live closer to the damn store than I do. You dare ask me what stick is up my ass after you start pointlessly jabbering about Edward Snowden? Get real. You crossed the line. Don't cross the line!